Hi, Dr. Strickland. This is Erin Edmonds, and this is my first reflection. Um, so I'll just jump right into answering the questions that you have posed for us. The first one, what have I learned about research? The first part of class yesterday was kind of a refresher on the difference between quantitative and qualitative research. Also kind of a review of the use of primary sources rather than secondary sources. A new idea that was presented for me was that research has a philosophical approach, and there's not a right or wrong way. It just depends on your own views and perspectives. I also found our discussion of the ethics behind research to be very interesting. It's something I've never really thought about before, but obviously it's very important, and there are guidelines there for a reason, because people have taken advantage of situations and participants in the past. What challenges have I encountered thus far? Some of the resources, when I was I was using Eric, looking for articles to bring to class tomorrow. Some of them sounded really good, but I could only get access to the abstract or the citation, but not the actual full text article. So that was a little bit frustrating. Successes that I've had, I'm starting to develop more of a definitive topic list and kind of trying to narrow down my ideas of what I want to search for. What have I learned about myself as a consumer of research? When I was reading the two articles in the one textbook, the quantitative compared to the qualitative, I had a really hard time getting through the quantitative article with all of the numbers. They just kind of got jumbled in my head, and they're just really hard to comprehend and understand what that all means. Whereas the qualitative research article, I had an easier time connecting to it and understanding what the researcher was talking about and how it was all presented. And then the last question, what next steps am I foreseeing? I guess that would be looking for more articles and just kind of delving into the task of reading them and analyzing them, all the articles that pertain to my potential research topic.